Hello and welcome back. If this is your first time here, please make sure that you view the first video after watching this. In our last video, we discussed how to find and connect with micro-influencers that align with your brand. Today, we'll delve deeper into evaluating the potential of these influencers. You will find the links to any resources mentioned in the description. Finding the right micro-influencer for your brand is like finding the perfect piece to your puzzle. When done correctly, it can lead to incredible synergies and successes for your business. And like it is with many things, there are a number of steps that you are required to take to achieve the best results. We have listed 6 steps as guidelines to help you assess the potential of micro-influencers. Step 1 is always the most important one to take. Before starting your search, clearly define who your audience is and what your goals are for the influencer campaign. Ask yourself these questions. Are you aiming to increase brand awareness, launch a new product, or drive more traffic to your website? Having a clear understanding of your target audience and your campaign goals will help focus your search and ensure you partner with influencers who can deliver the desired results. Step 2 is where you need to conduct preliminary research. Begin with social media platforms where your target audience is most active. Look for influencers who create content that aligns with your brand's image and values. Make use of relevant hashtags and keywords to streamline this process. For example, if your brand sells vegan skincare products, search for influencers who post about veganism, skincare, beauty, etc. In step 3, we need to evaluate potential influencers that we may want to work with. Once you've compiled a list of potential influencers, delve deeper into their profiles. Look beyond their follower count and evaluate their level of engagement, the quality of their content, and their audience demographics. Remember, a smaller but more engaged and relevant audience can often yield better results than a larger but less engaged audience. At step number 4, we can leverage influencer marketing tools to help us with our evaluation. Consider using influencer marketing platforms like Influencity or Upfluence. Links for these platforms are in the description. These tools can provide valuable insights, such as an influencer's engagement rate, audience demographics, and even predict the potential reach and impact of a collaboration. In step 5, we make a connection with the influencers we are thinking about working with. After narrowing down your list, it's time to reach out. Send a professional yet friendly message expressing your interest in collaborating. Be sure to include why you believe they would be a good fit for your brand and how the collaboration could benefit them. And we have finally arrived at step 6. This is where we evaluate their interest and compatibility. Evaluate their response to your proposal. Do they seem to be excited about your brand, and do they seem genuinely interested in a collaboration? Remember, authenticity is key in influencer marketing. A partnership should be mutually beneficial, and the influencer should be a genuine advocate for your brand. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to finding the perfect micro-influencers to help boost your brand's visibility and engagement. The right micro-influencer for your brand is one that aligns with your brand values, resonates with your target audience, and can help you achieve your campaign goals. In the next video, we'll dive into developing a compelling pitch to engage your chosen micro-influencers. We'll explore the key components of an effective pitch and how to establish a mutual beneficial relationship from the start. If this information had any value for you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This will help us to continue to make free content like this.